Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, on the XRP chart, the price continues to move in this Elliott Wave triangle. Well, you see it's a sideways range. Maybe disregard the trend line here. That's a bit, sort of just sketched basically. It's not so reliable, these trend lines. Obviously, it starts at this top. Maybe we could even draw it a little bit more precisely here. But the trend line is just to show that this could be in a so-called Elliott Wave triangle here. Also, if you draw the trend lines a little bit more like this, yeah, you see they have actually enough touch points to really form a proper triangle. And we might see soon a breakout here of the XRP chart out of this triangle pattern. This, however, would not include the entire Elliott Wave triangle. It would sort of be just a part of that Elliott Wave triangle. For example, could still be part of a larger triangle pattern, but we have here an internal pattern that could break out to the upside because this orange support region was actually quite strong in recent months. It didn't break, and it is here located between 37 cents and 52 cents. We obviously, as you can see, in that support area, and the 37-cent level is the next, really critical support level that ideally does hold. If that level doesn't hold, well, I think then we could get into the range sort of 25, 20 cents in an alternative B wave. In that scenario, I would have to assume that this B wave, which presumably bottomed around the 16th of June, well, it's still unfolding. Not preferred at the moment, but also not unlikely. Bear in mind, this chart is just moving in very, very corrective structure. So really doesn't really give us, or hasn't even given us any, let's say strong indication in which direction it wants to break out or move, because the move up was corrective into the 2021 high. The move down was corrective into the July 2022 low. The move up was corrective here into the 23 high. The move down is corrective, okay, but we have 3 waves down now. Nice 3 waves down. It could still stretch a little bit lower actually in this X wave. Now, if we look at this structure here, we can say, okay, what is a common target for a Y wave? Now, obviously, we explored before if this here could be maybe a triangle pattern. Again, a triangle within a triangle. That did not unfold. However, we might be dealing here with this WXY structure, WXY, and the Y wave is an ABC. Might get one more low, absolutely. We can take the length of wave W, go to the top of the X wave, and then one of the key levels is the 100% extension level. Now, it's at 34.7 cents. Or let me just try to draw that a bit more precisely. No, but that is already pretty good. That's a key level, 34.5 cents. And that is just below the 78.6 retracement level. Nevertheless, I would keep that as a key level to watch. It might be that we briefly break maybe below that level, test the other one, and then go. Now, I'm very skeptical about the XRP chart, but obviously it's in quite an interesting structure now because at least things start to move, and we usually just need those red candles to complete a correction and to generate a counter reaction or a bounce or even a larger rally, because it was really boring, especially since August last year. 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then here nothing happened really in February, March, really, really boring price action. And now at least we get a bit of a flush here, and it's coming down. It's holding above that 61.8 retracement level, and I would pay attention to exactly this area here between the current price and the, let's say 34.5 cent level. Critical region here where a reversal could happen. But then again, there is currently no setup for it. It's in a support area, but it's not as if we had here a nice 5-wave move up or something, which would provide a nice setup followed by a 3-wave pullback. Oh no, this is just moving in corrective structure. So probabilities are fairly balanced, but we still have some levels to watch, especially here, the 45.3 cent level, which is the golden ratio level, the 37 cent level, which is the 78.6 fib level, and the 34.5 cent level is the 100% extension of wave W. If a Y wave starts from here, I think we talked about that in a previous video, then again, we can do the same thing. We measure the length of the wave W, go to the low of the most recent low here, and it would take us to $1.40 roughly. But then again, if we go a little bit lower, it might go down as well. But sort of 120, 140 seems to be a realistic target for the next move up. But first, we need to see some kind of a reaction. And minimally, I wanted to break above the 50% retracement of the last rally. That's really the bare minimum. That would be a break above 52.5 cents. Better in terms of confirmation that a low of sorts is a break above the last high at 64.2 cents. That's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.